Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add NFC card to Apple Wallet. First, open your Settings app, tap General, then Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Next, go to the App Store and search for NFC Tools. Download and install the app. Next, open the NFC Tools and tap Read. Now, hold your NFC card near the back of your phone. It should automatically scan and detect the card. Next, once the card is scanned, open your wallet app, tap the plus icon, and look for an NFC option to add the card. Note, not all NFC cards are supported by the Apple Wallet yet, so availability may vary. And that's it. That's how to add NFC card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.